now that you've seen the menu and the front of the building, and I also need to tell you that we're located at 1258 Highway 126, Bristol, Tennessee. We're exactly 1 mile from the entrance to Steele Creek Park. Now let's see the deli. This is our dining room, and we want you to see where you'll be eating. The Red Rooster's been in business for 15 years. We're known all over the Tri-Cities for our homemade chicken salad, our homemade breads, and our homemade food. We're known for our strawberry soup and all the delicious sides that we serve. The 15th and 16th of July, we'll start at 4 o'clock introducing the community to my family-style country food. And we want to invite you to come out. We'll have the Servant Heart here, which is a Southern gospel group that will be on our front porch playing and singing and enjoying the evening. And we want to invite you to come out and enjoy the fellowship and the atmosphere, and but most of all, the good food. And we hope to see you there.